trending on Procyon radio and television with Sarah Agwon. All-rounder is in the house.
What is trending in the news?
All right. Tribunal rejects PDP LP's request for live broadcast of court proceedings. Justice Haruna Samani, the chairman of Presidential Election Petition Court, dismissed the application for live coverage of court proceedings against the president-elect Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Protestants under the banner of Free Nigeria movement stormed Presidential Election Tribunal. Tinubu will do well as the president, Joshua Inginla. Prophet Joshua Inginla, a popular Nigerian prophet, stated that efforts will be made to hinder the incoming administration of the president-elect Bola Ahmed Tinubu. However, Inginla said that Tinubu's government cannot be stopped and that he will do well as the nation's president. Gbagi Villa demolition. El-Rufai rolls out bulldozers. Gbagi Villa community women barricade road. Security men shoot at protesters.
Shooting! They want to kill us!
All-rounder.
El-Rufai. Now, is it now that God will blame us for choosing you as our governor? Abba, why now? This 11th hour that we are going, and just less than seven days. Understand? You are demolishing, you are shooting, and there's tension in the country. Tension. You are now creating tension in Kaduna again. It's today you are now know that you must demolish Gbagi Villa. Why now? Why now? Leave it for the incoming governor. Let Umbasani do this. Just go. You don't try for us. Just go. Just go. It's not good. Now, we are now scattering people. You are now shooting people for what? Understand? It's not good the way our politicians, when you are campaigning for us, you are giving us Indomie to vote for you. After we eat Indomie again and we vote for you, this is what will repay us. You will now be flogging us, you will now be dabaru everything, you want to scatter us, you want to give us tension, you want to... it's too much for us.
Thank you very much. All-rounder. Tribunal rejects live broadcast of LP PDP.
Tribunal rejects the live broadcast of the court. Good. Why now? Why did the tribunal rejected it? At least it's good for the tribunal because we don't have trust again in our judiciary. But for this one now, that the agitation is everywhere, there's agitating, there's demonstration, protest everywhere concerning this case. They're supposed to transmit it live for us to see. If they are not hiding anything, let Nigeria, it's our case. You understand? This case is our case. You understand? We really wanted to see it. We want to see everything going on in that place. You understand? So by court to reject it, to debar us from seeing it, I don't see anything. It's not good to me. I don't like it. Okay. Because I would have preferred the live streaming of it, people to be seeing it, and it will be good like that. So we have trust in what they are saying there. We know what is going on there.
Okay. The next one, Inginla said that
is pastor prophet Inginla. Yeah. Okay, the Inginla that said that Tinubu
will do well.
Yes, I believe. Not only Inginla believe that. We in Nigeria, we believe that Tinubu Asiwaju will do well. You understand? Because when Tinubu, even after the inauguration of Tinubu and he became president proper, we all know, we believe that he will do well. Our INEC will be strong. Our NDLA will be good. Even education. You understand? No more fake results again in Nigeria. The pensioner they will generate the economy will be good. They will be generating revenue through taxes. You understand? They will tax people and they will be generating money. The judiciary will be functioning very well. There are no more that they will either the court will say we're not striving life everything. No. Tinubu will repair everything. You understand? We all believe that. We believe that if Tinubu is sworn in on May 29th, Nigeria will be like paradise. We are waiting for that.
Thank you very much. All right, Randa. Thanks for coming to the house today.
Thank you.
Trending with Sarah Agbo on Procyon Radio and Television.